Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to share a Google Drive link on Messenger. First, open the Google Drive app. At the bottom right corner, tap on Files. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. Now tap on Upload. Now upload the file you want to share. Select the file from your photos, videos, or files. Wait for it to upload. Now tap on Upload at top right corner. Once the file is uploaded, tap the three dots next to it. Tap on Share at the top. Now tap Manage Access. Change Restricted to anyone with a link. This allows the person to open the file without permission. Tap the Copy Link icon to copy the link to your clipboard. Now it's time to send it in Messenger. Open the Messenger app here. Open the chat where you want to send the link. Tap in the message box, press Paste, and then send the link. And that's it. Your Google Drive link has been shared successfully. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.